How to join someone on Roblox without being friends. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join someone on Roblox even if you are not friends. So this method works by using a Chrome extension, and here's what you need to do. You need to go to your extensions. Once you're in the Google Chrome extension, simply install the extension called Restore Old Roblox Server List. Once it is installed in your Google Chrome web browser, go to Roblox and refresh the page. Now, if you're on mobile, try switching desktop mode for the best experience. Now you should see a puzzle piece icon in the Chrome toolbar in the top. Tap on it. Now click on the Restore Old Roblox Server. Get the player's username first, and you will need their exact Roblox username. And to know what game they are playing, copy the username of the person that you want to join, and make sure that the auto search is turned on. Now in the player username field, simply type in their username. Navigate to the specific Roblox game that the person is currently playing, and then go to the Service tab of this game. The extension will automatically search for the servers where the specified player is present. The player's profile picture should appear next to the server that they are in. And if you see their profile picture, click on Join to join their server. You can also refresh the page to search. So that's it. By knowing their Roblox username and the game they are playing, you should be able to find and join them even if you're not friends. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.